Cheese!
You want to go to the petting zoo?
Okay. Okay, I'll do a petting zoo.
Hey guys, unfortunately we're not going to go to the petting zoo today, so we're going to have to leave that for maybe next weekend or something. But today I really want to just talk about why I got the A7 Mark III. I mean, I already had the A7 Mark II, and you know, I've created a lot of really cool stuff with it, taken great pictures, did some really good vlogs, got a lot of really good footage with it. But I went ahead and got the A7 Mark III, so let's get into it. So really the first thing I want to talk about is gear lust, and the thing is, did I really need to get the A7 Mark III? No, not really. The biggest thing that would really help me is just to, you know, keep making stuff and level up my skills as a photographer or videographer, but I went ahead and got it anyway. What I mean by gear lust is that you kind of like, you know, you keep up with all the new technologies, all the new stuff coming out, and you always want the newest, best, most expensive thing. Should I have got the A7 Mark III? Yes and no. Really, the thing is, I could have just kept my A7 Mark II and used the difference in money to invest in like a lens or a gimbal or something, which would probably help me a lot more. But here we are, and I'm just gonna go over a few of the things that really make the A7 Mark III a really good camera for me. What is that? Really the biggest thing with the A7 Mark III that I didn't have on the A7 II was shooting at 1080p at 120 frames per second, and it just looks so cinematic, it looks so good, everything is just crispy smooth. I mean, I'll go ahead and just show you guys. Let's go. So you can check out the vlog where I went to the flower fields with my wife, and the one where we went to Mammoth Lakes. I mean, just the difference in B-roll is kind of crazy how crisp and buttery it is. There's a lot of other cool stuff, like, okay, you got a bigger battery. Battery has not been something that I've been worrying about, which is really awesome. The autofocus performance really good. I've kind of been figuring out how to switch between modes based on the shots that I need, so autofocus performance has been really good. One thing that I wasn't really counting on was 4K and being able to use Super 35 mode. So I normally don't shoot in 4K before, because you know, my A7 Mark II didn't have 4K, but now that I can shoot in 4K, I think it looks really good. Even if I have to, you know, upscale my 1080p stuff up to 4K, everything looks good. The DJI Spark footage looks really good, upscaled to 4K. And the cool thing with Super 35 is that you can like crop in, so you can get in your 1.5 times crop. And you know, if you need just a little bit more range, you can go into APS-C mode and get that crop, which is really cool. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. Sorry there is no vlog today. We were kind of disappointing with the weather, but you know, it is what it is. Hopefully, if you guys are looking for an A7 Mark III and kind of on the fence about it, it is a great all-around camera. Really good. I am by all means a hybrid shooter. I shoot a lot of video, love taking pictures. It's nice to be able to run and gun and switch between the two and have the ability to just, you know, have one camera that does it all. Really good autofocus, really good video capabilities with 4K and 120p. So go ahead, if you guys are interested in it, go ahead and check it out. I think it's a really good investment. So until next time, thanks for tuning in.